75-liter fridge freezer, 5-year warranty. So we're gonna install this today. Alright, so here is the fridge. I have opened it up. Just bought a new fridge, King's 75 liters. It was on special end of financial year sale. 560 is not a bad deal. It came with the cover, 75 liters, you can see. I will be installing it right here because I have a 12 volt installed right over there as well. I bought this from Bunnings, marine carpet, staple nail gun, adhesive, the drawers, and a universal fridge slide. So I don't want to make holes in the tray. So what I'm planning is I'm gonna make a drawing on this, like what's the exact size I need, and then I put this drawing on this and we'll cut this perfectly so that if I need to get all my gear out, I can simply slide this board out and then I have a free tub to use. So that's what the plan is. It's always a good idea not to overcut it. Cut it a little so that if it doesn't work, you can still cut it lighter. If you cut more, then you're stuffed up. Now, get a blade. And cut it. And now you're gonna chop this timber from there. This is not finished yet, so I have another trimmer. I will trim the corners perfectly later. I use the grinder and I pretty much because this thing was quite sharpy, so the carpet needs to be somehow in a way that the carpet goes around smoothly. So I have done that. Alright, that's done.
Oh yes.
Perfectly done. I'm gonna do the corners perfectly with the blender. And then we'll do the carpet. I'm gonna spray this. You can see it's for growing carpets. I'll spray all this and then I'm gonna stick the carpet on that. And then we are pretty much ready to go. You clean this with a cloth and then spray this, otherwise it's not gonna work the way it needs to be. Stapler gun to pretty much wherever I want. Just there you go. It's stapled in. I've stapled in from underneath as well to make it nice and strong. So good tool to have. Okay, so I have chopped it from the sides It's looking all intact. This doesn't bother me because it's gonna go underneath anyway. Looks good to me. So there we are. It looks perfect to me. So the whole idea of doing this is like, if I want to take out all the accessories I have in the tray, fridge, everything, I can simply slide this back and leave it in the house, and then I can put whatever I want in the tub. Let's install the fridge slide on this now. Now I have these two systems which can go at the back of the Jeep. One is obviously a fridge slide, another one is a compartment. 35-40 kilos I will be carrying in the tray, but as I said, if I don't need it, I can take the whole tray off and use my tub. Let's open this up. I have just unboxed the fridge slide. Looks good to me, solid. It has some straps, some nuts and bolts, manual, and it has marine carpet. I have built the platform which will go, this will go on top of that, and then I'm gonna unbox this drawer as well, which is a part of this, which can go next to this so I can store some more stuff. Let's work on this. Alright, so I have opened this drawer compartment. So it has two of these panels, one of this, one of that, four of these nut and bolts. The reason why I'm building this compartment, so that the fridge slide, which is right there, can go inside this, so that even if it's raining or something, that might protect my fridge. Like that part of the fridge needs to be exposed all the time, otherwise your fridge can stop working. That's the reason I have bought this. It will be safe and it will look nice as well. I'm gonna spend some time reading this manual and fix this up. Shouldn't be a big job, only 4 panels, all the nuts and bolts are there. Let's see how it turns out. So you get these 4 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 2 panels, and this board with marine carpet on, which is quite nice. It's all drilled already, the holes are already there. So as per me, the first step is these 2 bars. You gotta secure this thing. You can see the holes there, 2 there, 2 there. So this will go there, and you can install. Let me install that, then I'll show you. There's no one here to hold the camera for me at the moment. Alright, so what I have done so far is I have installed these 2, and then I flipped it upside down, and then I installed 2 of these. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on that side, 2 bolts on that side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the panel at the back, you're seeing it's not attached yet. So I'm going to install 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt here, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt here, and then I will flip it, and then we will see how it goes, because until now I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just using my own brain trying to assemble this. The fridge slide is right there. Once this is done, I think the fridge slide will be tied up on these 2 panels. So let's see how it goes. All set. So what I'm doing is I have unbolted this part. Unbolted this. I'm gonna take this off, the top part, and then I'm gonna bolt this up on the board. So that's how it's gonna look. Bolts here, the 6 bolts go there, and this will secure. Once I bolt this up, then I'm gonna put the top part of the slide on top of it. Alright, I have made 8 holes. Let's see at the back. 8 holes. Now we're gonna insert bolts on this. Alright, I have installed the bolts. Instead of 8, I'm only installing 4. And I did make some holes already, but the screws and bolts they have provided, I don't know why there are so many. It depends what kind of system you're installing, in which tray you're installing, how you're installing. There are too many ideas, so I think it all depends what you want to do. So I've done that, so I'm gonna put this cabinet on here, and then I'm gonna put this inside, and then I'm gonna bolt it up. This is it. I'm not gonna do anything else, and then I'll see how securely it fits in the car. If not, then I'll do further modifications. But to me, this is what my understanding at the moment. I'm not expert. Do not follow me, but I couldn't find anything on the internet. The instructions are horrible, so this is the way I'm doing it at the moment, all by myself. Now you guys can see 4 bolts. That's good enough. I think if I need more bolts, I can install these and these, but I think 4 will be enough. It's very solid, it's not moving at all. Now we're gonna put this board back where the fridge gonna go on top. Gonna install all these screws. You can see the pattern is already there. See, it's rock solid. When the top will go on this won't go anywhere. I just had to tie this board in the car properly, and this is rock solid. This is what I was talking. The top is installed, the bottom is installed. The slide has gone in perfectly. Won't move. That's locked, won't come out. So to unlock this, you have to press this down, both latches, and the fridge will come out all the way. It's not going out, and even if you press it harder, nothing happens. But this board, if you're looking at it, why it's like this, because it starts from here. It'll be very hard for me to get in and out, because I don't want this thing to be permanent in the car. To carry this much load all the time, not good. So once it's to that place, just these 2 buckles down again. I'll go all the way. Now it's locked. Now I'm going to install the fridge in it, and then you can see how it looks. There we are. So I've flooded in the fridge. Very, very happy the way it's looking at the moment. Now I have no worries about the rain, the water. The vents are on the right hand side, right over there, right here. I'm not worried at all. Even if the water goes in from here, I am not worried. These fridges are for outdoors, so they can resist the moisture, humidity and whatnot. But this is perfect. I'm loving it. Okay. There you go. All the way out, not hanging out. It's perfect. Very happy. Let me know what you guys think. This is the first time I have done something like this, so please pardon me. Finally, I have attached these hooks as well with the fridge. Now it won't go anywhere. Pretty much intact. And we're gonna open it. Just do this and should be fine. All right, as promised, project completed. I have installed tie down there, tie down there. Now this thing won't move, and I have the flexibility to get it out anytime I want. This won't go backwards, outwards. Even though you can see over there, it's touching the arch of the wheel, so it's not gonna go backwards. If I drive fast, in any circumstances, this will stop to come outwards. The fridge won't come outwards because it's strapped there. Let me know if I have done something wrong. So yeah, the project has completed. Be brave, pick up your tools, and start building things. Nothing is impossible. I was having no experience on doing this. I spent my day and night after work to finish this build. So stay tuned. You will be seeing a lot of videos of camping, going on difficult trails, doing stupid stuff. Yeah, stay tuned. Thank you.